Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the notification panel on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you want to change the notification panel on your Samsung phone, first of all, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app. Then tap on open. After that, just tap on the power button over here. Now just give this app all these permissions. First of all, just tap on dual SIM and give this app this permission. After that, just do the same with all the other permissions. Just enable this toggle and select allow. Now just select accept, then tap on installed apps. From here, just go to Mi Control Center and enable this toggle. After that, just select allow. And after you do that, then enable this toggle. Now just enable the toggle for Mi Control Center and select allow. Now just tap on OK. Now just tap on settings, then tap on notifications and enable this toggle. And once you do that, you will change the notification panel on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is how you can change the notification panel on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.